Cfmoto brings energy and vitality to the world. Cfmoto is creating and sharing fun and experience with people in more than 100 countries and regions. It is this power that drives Cfmoto towards the goal of becoming a global premium power sports brand. The incredible journey began in 1989. Cfmoto started as a motorcycle parts factory and develops into an enterprise, integrating R&D, manufacturing and sales of power sports products. From the development of China's first liquid-cooled engine to the full product lineups of motorcycles, all-terrain vehicles, and parts and accessories. From the top exporter of all-terrain vehicles in China, claiming the top market share in many countries, to becoming a unique global brand among Chinese power sports manufacturers. From the designated manufacturer of the Escort motorcycle for state guests, which represents the highest technology achievement in Chinese motorcycle industry, to the strategic cooperation with top European motorcycle brand KTM. The completion of the Cfmoto KTM joint venture of over 100,000 square meters will drive us to a new milestone in the historic journey of becoming a global premium power sports brand. In Cfmoto, relying on the National Technology Center, Cfmoto has developed a number of core technologies, filling the industry gap, and drafted 10 national industry standards, 445 valid patents, 65 overseas patents, and 17 invention patents are the best proof of our R&D strength. Industrial interconnection has continuously empowered our new manufacturing, helping us to realize the transformation of our factory from manufacturing intelligence to management intelligence, supply chain intelligence, product intelligence, and industrial ecological intelligence. The flagship stores bring new experiences to every consumer. In overseas markets, our sales network covers more than 100 countries and regions, and Cfmoto has claimed top market share in many countries. In the world, Cfmoto is committed to discovering the true meaning of experience with millions of users and exploring an exciting new lifestyle. Cfmoto, it's a never-ending journey of discovery. We are not only driving the vehicle, we are powering through to the future. Cfmoto, experience more together.